Hello everyone, Dimitri here from uPVC.com.au. Today I'll show you the Deceuninck Legend slide system. We're going to have the premium seals here, Q-long seals. So not the normal brush seal you get from normal Deceuninck, but you get actual seals from the outside. A much better premium version, I would say the best. So finally a sliding system will be available in uPVC in Australia. So yeah, get in touch. As you can see, check out the seal, amazing. No more air and water leakage. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Until next time, goodbye.